Hi, it's Ken from Get English Tips here. Do you know the difference between these two words? We've got beside and besides. Now these two words are very similar. Very similar sounding, but not very similar meaning. Totally different meanings. The only similarity is they have beside plus S and beside no S. So let's look at each one. We'll go through the meanings for them and a few examples. So the first one we've got is beside, no S, beside. And beside just means next to. So for example, we can say, I am sitting beside my friend. The book is beside the pencil. So the book is next to the pencil. I am sitting next to my friend. There's not much difference between beside and next to. They're pretty similar meanings. Perhaps beside gives an impression of better English, but they're both very similar and can be interchangeable. I am living beside the park. My house is next to the park. So it's next to and beside is very interchangeable. Besides, on the other hand, with an S is very different. And besides means we use when we have a list of things and we say, including this, I also do that. So for example, I could say besides English, I also speak a little bit Spanish, Portuguese, French and Thai. So including English, I also speak these other languages. So I'm also saying, you know that I speak English, so this is why I'm not including it on the list. So it can mean apart from or including. It's one of those words that is telling you this is included in the list, but I'm not going to mention it. I'm going to mention the other ones. So for example, besides England, the UK also has Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. So including but apart from England, because everyone knows it, the UK also has these other three countries, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Besides Spain, I have also lived in Portugal and Italy and Bulgaria and Thailand. So I've lived in Spain, but you know that already. So besides Spain, including Spain, or except from Spain, I've also lived in these countries also. So I'm giving you one option that you already know, and then I'm going to give you another list, some more on that list. This is how we use besides. So besides this, I also do that. Besides him, it also includes them. So we are showing you that one option is included, but we are not going to list it with all of these because you already know it. So there we go. Beside is next to, and besides means I'm not including that because you already know, but here's the list here. So there we go. Can you give any examples of beside and besides? Let me know below, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye for now.